Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. I'd like to share with you a 2018 Saltwater Edition Harris 250 Grand Mariner. This tri-toon is presented in black sapphire with platinum silver accents, French gray interior, and driftwood teak vinyl flooring. As we get to the stern of the craft, you'll notice the Verado 300 Pro motor, rear-facing bow seating which double as coolers, electrically actuated swim ladder, and ample space on the swim deck. You can also see the convenient stereo controls from the Polk Diamond sound system with 6 speakers throughout, plus an amp and subwoofer. Let's get aboard and check out the interior. This Harris float boat has a capacity of 13 to 15 people with plenty of seating and storage for all your guests. You can see the rear-facing loungers and dual Lux swivel helm seats, protected by the sun by this tower and Bimini. This craft is equipped with easy-to-read analog gauges, as well as a Simrad Go 5 chart plotter with sonar. Ample bow seating and below-seat storage complete this great boat that provides hours of fun with friends and family. If you'd like to learn more, discuss more options, or take this boat out on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. This is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.